Yo, what's going on guys? Burrito here, and today we're back with another Discord video. Today we're going to be going over Mee6 Moderator, and we're going to go over the plugin itself, make sure, just go over how to use it, and pretty much that's it, because I've had a lot of comments in my YouTube comment section asking about Mee6 Moderator, and some people giving out false info, and just a lot of questions and a lot of talk about Mee6 Moderator. And I try to make videos on stuff that I see a lot of talk and hot topic in the comment section. So let's jump right into it. Alrighty, now we're on mee6.xyz, their website. So we're going to press add to Discord, and we're going to find the how to start a Discord server. Now that we're here, we're going to make sure that the moderator plugin is enabled, which we're going to disable for right now and just for the video, so we can do a complete run through. And just to make sure, I do not have premium. I'm a normal user like everyone else, and I don't have premium right now, and I'm not going to use premium in this video. I'm going to go from a completely free standpoint. So I've actually had some questions and comments saying that you need premium to use moderator, which is completely false. Everything that you see right here, all of these plugins are completely free to use, and they may have different advantages and different perks inside of the plugins that you need premium to use, but everything here is free to use. Alright, so we're going to go to moderator, enable the plugin, and we're going to pretty much start from scratch. Alright, so you're going to need moderator roles. So obviously you're going to click on your staff roles. So we're going to click admin, moderator, and trial moderator. And if you guys don't have staff roles or you don't quite understand this part, don't worry, just skip this part and watch the rest of the video. I'm going to be making a video either tomorrow or in the next day after that about how to make a staff structure and how to incorporate it into Mee6 and how to incorporate it into a Discord. Now, you're going to need an audit logging channel. An audit logging channel is pretty much a virtual notebook which writes down every single thing that happens in the server, or in other words, everything that you turn on. Alright, so everything here that you see, which we'll see more in a second, you have to turn on to have logged. So let's go to the Discord and let's make a audit log channel. And 99.9% of the time, if you make a change, like for instance, we went onto the Mee6 website when the audit log channel wasn't a thing. So as you can see right here, it's going to see audit logs, but it's not going to like it. All right, so we're going to press it and you have an error, and it's going to say server must be premium to do this, which is false. Mee6 just has a little bit of a confusion and gets really confused. It did not see the audit log channel before, so it automatically thinks something weird is happening and gives you a weird error. So just refresh your page, and we're going to go to please select the channel, go to audit logs, give it a second. It has some errors sometimes, and there it is, save. You do not need premium. And as you can see, usually when you start it up, all of it is going to be completely turned off. So that's what we're going to do right now, and we're going to go over pretty much everything. So let's cut to that. Alrighty, everything is turned off, so let's go over it. So now that we have our audit logs channel, like I said before, it's going to track down everything that you turn on. So right here, you can see, what do you want Mee6 to track down? Do you want Mee6 to type in the audit log channel that a member was muted? Do you want Mee6 to type that they were unmuted, banned, unbanned? Do you want Mee6 to type that a member joined a voice channel? It's all your preference. You can turn everything off, you can turn everything on. So I'm going to give you guys what I think is the best set of logs, and you guys can copy that, or you guys can go off your own judgment. So personally, I think a member being muted, unmuted, banned, and unbanned is very important to write down. I think just like up here, member banned and unbanned, I think I actually said member banned, moderation unbanned. So that pretty much means using a command to mute or using a command to ban someone. So we're going to have all of these turned on, and I like having the user updated turned on, and then when roles are created and deleted and updated, I like that as well. And then server edited, emojis updated, channel updated, created, and deleted. I think these are all the most important, because personally, when someone joins and leaves a voice channel, I don't think that matters. When a member gets a new role, once again, I don't think that matters. And then when a member changes their nickname, once again, doesn't matter. And then when a member joins and leaves, you already have the Mee6 welcome plugin, which handles all of that. So we don't need that. So now for ignored channels, what that means is, as you can see, for instance, when a channel is updated, it gets logged in the audit logs channel. Let's say you have a channel like Burritos Chat. That's one of my text channels. Let's say that channel was updated a lot, like every single day it was getting updated, and it just didn't need to be logged. You can make that so it's exempt from these rules. You can make it so when this channel is updated, you do not get a report. So we're gonna scroll down, and now you see the auto moderator. So pretty much when Mee6 sees anything that can be considered as a bad word, repeated text, excessive caps, emojis, spoilers, mentions, or Zalgo, it will do something about it, and you can choose what you want done. Personally, I like deleting and warning everything that happens, so the member can get warned, and obviously if they're getting warned, it shouldn't be in the server anyways. So that's that. Now you can see external links and server invites are premium, but these two, along with the message events channel, are the only premium things. So this was actually so free that you didn't need premium for pretty much anything. That comment addressing saying that you need premium to do this, I assume was just generally a mistake and a misunderstanding, but I'm not sure if I deleted it or not, but that's why I'm making this video, just to address that you do not need premium to do this. This is completely free, and premium will only make it so you can do 1 or 2 or 3 extra things outside of the free zone. Now to end it all off, you have a little question right here. Auto moderator ignores and does not affect other bots. Pretty much what that's saying is if you have bots that could possibly break these rules, do you want those bots to have their messages deleted and warned? It's all your choice. Personally, I think if you have a bot that does it, then you should let the bot do its job. So I'm going to turn this on and make it so Mee6 ignores those bots. Now we're going to press save, and everything's finished. Now it's ready to go, and you can use it. You can do whatever you want. If you guys have any questions, please make sure to comment in the comment section down below so I can help you guys out, or even make a video on it. If you guys DM me on Discord, my Discord ID will be in the description below for you guys to DM me. Make sure if you guys do have questions, that is the easiest way to get your questions answered, or even joining my Discord server, which is level 3 as of right now, which is completely awesome. So if you guys want to join and have awesome like events, stuff like that, there are tons of subscribers in here, if not more, because if you guys do join from my YouTube videos, make sure to let me know, because you do get a special role called subscriber to Ultimate Burrito. We have all of these guys who are subscribed, and definitely more. I'm just not really sure who is. If you guys want the role, just make sure to DM me. Also, if you do DM me, this is my code right here, Burrito3074, which will be in the description. If you guys do DM me, if you guys have any pets, or if you guys have any fan art, make sure to ping me in either my text channel media and photos, or just DM me it, and I'll feature it in one of my videos. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any questions. This is Ultimate Burrito from Ultimate Gaming Lounge, and I hope you guys have an ultimate day. I'll catch you around.